Today let's make this refreshing Thai watermelon noodle salad with sweet and juicy watermelon and fresh herbs. This is a beautiful appetizer you're going to love. We will start by making the cold peanut noodles for the base. The dressing is a creamy combination of peanut butter with Thai basil, soy sauce, aromatics and a few other sauces. We will toss this with some rice noodles, green mangoes, onions and peppers. And now for the watermelon part, we will toss in some cucumbers and onions, peanuts and cashews for the perfect crunch, and mint, basil and cilantro for the freshness. And now in these mini pipettes, we will fill in this bright delicate dressing made with orange and sesame that gives it a really floral aroma. To assemble, we will layer the peanut noodles with the watermelon salad and garnish it with some sesame seeds. This appetizer is truly delicious. It has such a refined flavors that all work so well together. So do try it out and head on to my blog for more detailed recipe. Enjoy!